Tired of being stuck on the sidelines and ready to unleash your app on the world? Let's unlock the secrets to paying for your Apple Developer Program membership directly from your iPhone or iPad. First, ensure you have the Apple Developer app installed on your iPhone or iPad. You can download it for free from the App Store. If you haven't already, go ahead and tap on the app icon to launch it. Once open, navigate to the Account tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your Apple Developer account information. You'll likely see a button that says Join the Apple Developer Program if you're a new member, or Renew Membership if your current membership is expiring. Go ahead and tap on whichever button applies to you. Next, carefully review the details of the Apple Developer Program, paying close attention to the annual fee, which is typically $99 USD. Once you're ready, tap Continue or a similar button to proceed to the payment screen. Now you'll see the available payment options. The easiest way is to use Apple Pay. If you have it set up, simply select Apple Pay and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Alternatively, you can choose to use a credit or debit card. If you choose to use a card, you'll be prompted to enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure to double-check all the information for accuracy before proceeding. After entering your payment information, tap Purchase or Subscribe. You should then see a confirmation screen indicating that your payment was successful and your Apple Developer Program membership is now active. You're all set to start developing and publishing your amazing apps.